Hi and hello to all. This side Priya Rana, and today's lecture is based on the topic logistics. So the word logistics come from a French word that is logger, and the word logistics comes with also military concept, so that what happen is during wars we need the right men and material at right place, so we deploy them. Deploy means movement of troops or the persons at right place and right position for the military action. So for that we supply lines consisting of weapons, foods, etc. At that particular point of time we need the person which we have placed at right place for action. We need to provide them with proper weapons, food and essential items. So we make a logistic plan for that. Why do we make a logistic plan? So that there is minimum loss of men and material. Okay, what we have understood in the origin of logistics, that it come up with a military concept, and it come with a French word that is lodger, and in that we supply lines consisting of weapons, food, and we properly deploy the troops. Moving on, the meaning of logistics. So when I talk about meaning, we have to see that it is a process. See, it is a process in which coordination and movement of resources like people, material, inventory and equipments from one location to the storage at the desired destination. This means that it is a set of processes in which we have to make a particular plan in which we have to place the right men at right place, and we have to provide them with the quantity of the material they need and inventory equipments from the location to the end point, to the destination, to the desired destination, or towards the target, we can say. So this process, it completely explains the logistic plan. So for if we look at this diagram, we can see that supplier is supplying the goods to the inbound logistics, and from there the product, or you can say the raw material, it goes to the product manufacturer, and from there it goes to outbound logistics where the finished goods goes. And after that, after the finished goods, they provide it to the company's distribution channel, and from there the distribution logistic provider, and from this point the finished good goes to the retailer, and after that it goes to the final consumer. So this is the process of logistics. So logistic consists of three things, that is inbound logistics, material management and physical distribution. In inbound logistic, if I say that it is the movement of material from supplier into the business, this is business and this is supplier. Okay, this is inbound logistics where we get the products, we get the raw material from the supplier, and we get it into the business for further processing. What is material management? In which we properly use the resources, we properly use the raw material and make it in a productive use, and the movement of material and components inside the firm. Here the material which we have taken from the supplier, we use them, we make it in productive use, and from here we can make it the process, we can use it in the processes to make it a further finished product. What is outbound logistics? It is a process of movement storage of product, transportation and distribution of goods to the customer. So you can see in this diagram, that is supplier is sending the product to the company, this is inbound logistics, and after that the company supply the goods, the final goods to the customer, this is outbound logistics. Talking about the objective of logistics, the main objective is to reduce the cost, to reduce the capital, to improve the service. How to improve the service? Because if we are placing the right men at right place with proper expertise and with proper training and advancement in the product, we are providing them with the service improvement and cost reduction, capital reduction, by letting the people use the product, use the resources efficiently and use the raw material efficiently in right quantity. This is how we can reduce the cost and capital. Okay, the specific objective says that the right product at right place, at right time, the right price, right condition, and in right quantity and assortments. If these things are to be taken care of, then we can make a successful logistic plan. That's all from today's first video.